So guys, I'm going to be comparing Facebook earning and YouTube earning. See these two earnings. You can see the earnings, right? And reason why people are telling you to dive into YouTube, to start creating content on YouTube. YouTube pays more, even as it's difficult to get monetized. But if you know the strategy, you are going to get monetized on time, and you're going to be earning even with as low as you can see, as low as 57 views. You are getting this amount. I got this amount. But look at Facebook. Even as Facebook is changing their monetization policy. But the thing is, they will not be able to get to the standard of YouTube. That is just the fact. So you need to create a YouTube channel today. I'll be walking you through on how to create a new YouTube channel, and how to set it up depending on your niche. How to put on the proper settings, how to optimize your channel well so that YouTube can recommend your videos, can put out your channel out there for people to subscribe, for people to see your videos. So let's go. Let me teach you how to create your YouTube channel and how to set it up. So this is my YouTube app. So if I click here and your channel, I don't have a channel yet. You can see they say I should create. I don't have a channel yet. And that is what is going to happen to your own, because you already have a Gmail and you want to use that mail. Except you want to create another mail, you can. But you already have a mail on your phone and it's logged into your YouTube. So what you just go ahead to click on this place, then see where they put channel, your channel, you click on your channel. You click on your channel, then picture, you put the image you want to use, select any image from your gallery that you want to use, any image at all, depending on what your channel is about, or you want to create another image or anything. So let's just use this. I'm not really going to use this channel. I just want to show you all how it is. Maybe later in future I'll be using it. So it's still loading. So my picture is uploaded. Then name, you can go ahead to change the name. If it's this what you want to, you can leave it like that, or just leave it like that and save. Then undo, see the undo. If you want to change it, you can change it, but see the name. Then you go ahead and click on create channel. You click on create channel. So now you have successfully created a channel. So what you are going to do now, this channel you created, you want to set it up. You want to set it up. So I will go to the best place to set your channel up, to put the necessary things, is your YouTube Studio desktop version, to be precise. So you go to, first of all, you go to ChatGPT, because it will help you set up your channel properly. And this is my ChatGPT, right? This ChatGPT, if your channel, what your channel is about, just let the ChatGPT know. So now I will say that channel is about lifestyle channel. So I'll now tell ChatGPT. I normally like to use voice record. Hi, I just created a new channel, and that channel I want to be posting my daily activities, lifestyle, and also I need channel description for it. I need necessary tags and hashtag for the channel, and what name will you say I should give the channel. Then I went ahead to send that to ChatGPT. So let's wait for it. It's transcribing, then it will send and it will give it what you want. Okay, got it. Since your new channel will focus on daily activities and lifestyle, let's structure this way. Channel name suggestion. So that, because this is my mail, they already know my name. Life with Glory, Glory Daily Vibe, my day. I have a lifestyle channel, so I'm not creating a lifestyle channel, by the way, just for teaching purposes. And trending, these are names you can give your lifestyle channel. These are what it gave us. So let's go to channel description. Here is the channel. Here is a clean, engaging description. Welcome to my space. This channel is all about my daily life, from my routine, random adventures, lifestyle tips, to everything that makes me me. Join me as I share my real moments, fun experience, and little lesson along the way. Subscribe and grow with me. You can see it. Alternative, shorter version, daily life. This is the shorter version, but I prefer this first one. Welcome to. It's okay. White tag that you can use for your channel. These are it. These are the tags. Then hashtag for videos. These are it. Then so we'll now go to, if you don't like it, you can tell ChatGPT I don't like it. It should give you more option of name and maybe another description. It will, then you can now restructure it yourself to what you want. So let's go to our Chrome. No, first of all, let's go to our Chrome, YouTube Studio.
One of my channel is logged in already. Login. So normally if your YouTube studio, so I'll just switch to this new channel I created. Switch. Wait, okay, this is it. Okay, see what they are saying. Welcome to, because this is the first time, continue. Okay, the first thing I will do is to click on this pencil, this arrow for customization. So this your image, your banner image. Please try to generate or try to create it, then upload it here. I don't have any banner image, but if you want to upload, you click on upload, then go to your image and choose which one. But I don't have, so my name is here. Then this description, you now go, this is the channel description. You go to where ChatGPT gave you a description here. If you're okay with this, you select it, copy. You can re-edit it, paste it here. Then hashtags. ChatGPT gave us some hashtags, so I will just put all the hashtags. It's actually okay to do so. Then paste the hashtags here. I don't need language. Cancel this language. After pasting the hashtags, so this language, if you want to add, you can add. This link is, you can add your social media platform link. You can just put title. The first one is Facebook. Then you go and copy your Facebook link and add it here. So, but I don't want to add any link, so I'll just go ahead to cancel it. So your email address, you can just go ahead to put your email address here in case anyone wants to reach you. Person can reach you through your email. If maybe none of your social media platform is there, they can reach you through email. So it's also good to, why this video watermark, I would say it's compulsory, it's important. You can use your picture as it. Just select any picture and use it as your watermark. But according to them, it has to be smaller, 1 MB. So I will have to reduce it if I want to re-upload it. So I've done this part. I've done it here. So I'll just go ahead to, what is showing red mark? Okay. Let's just put one social media page, Facebook. Then let me go and copy my Facebook link. Copy. By the way, guys, this is my Facebook. You can come to Facebook and follow me. Ask any question if you want to on my Facebook. Message me on Facebook. Paste it. See, I've pasted it. Then up here, they said publish. You click on publish. So you have settled this place. But try to create a banner image. We have settled this place. Then you now go to setting. See this down place that is setting. You click on it. Then this channel, you click on channel. Country of residence, please add your country of residence, Nigeria. Mine is Nigeria, so you can add yours. Why these keywords? These keywords are your tags. So I'll go ahead, this is my tag, but ChatGPT did not give me this tag in the way I can just copy and paste it there. So I will just go ahead to tell ChatGPT, please, I want this tag to be the way I can copy and paste. So please, I want the tag to be something I can just copy and paste. Thank you. Because if I copy and paste that first one, this one, it will not paste the way tags is supposed to paste there. So this is a better way. See the tags, this first one, you click on copy, then come here and paste it. So I've pasted it, you can see it. That's why it's good to do it that way. Then you can add maybe some popular this thing, lifestyle creators name. You can add it there too. Maybe like Moreni KG, your own name, you can add it too. So this is what I want to add. Then advanced setting. This advanced setting, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? If yes, you click the first one. If no, you click the second one. No. If you want to review it each time you post a video, you can just click on I want to review the setting for every video. So we'll just leave it like that. Where your Google Ads account linking is not really important. Automatic caption, you can click yes. Don't show potential inappropriate words, click yes. Disable interest based ad, if you select this, personal ad will not show, just leave it like that. Then third party companies to train AI mode using my channel content, click yes, so that they can actually promote your videos on other platform, and it can drive audience to come and watch your videos. So this one, they say select third party companies only. No, click on the second one, all third party companies. Then think future eligibility. These ones are, think this, you can go ahead to verify your phone number, then you have access to it, to thumbnail, to add thumbnail. You can go ahead to verify your phone number. I'll be teaching that in my other video. Then this advanced feature, live stream. This live stream, you have to get to, before you go live on your channel, you have to get to 50 subscribers before you can access live feature. Let's go to upload default. You click on upload default. Is there anything you can add here? Visibility, please click on list or private. Don't put public for this visibility, so that whenever you want to post, it will be on list. Then you now change it to private, or sometimes you can just schedule your post, but don't put it on public in case there's any correction you need to do on your video, or in case there's a copyright stuff on your video, to not go public. So I will just click on list, and you can see add that tags that we copy, paste it here, then advanced setting. This category, for me now, I will choose where is it, people and vlogs. I'll choose people and vlog. Well, you can just choose anyone your channel is related to. So I choose people and vlog, and the rest, we are good to go. Permission, moderator agreement. So you can now click on save. Click on save, and that's basically it. Then let's go back to our channel and see that we have set it up. Let me leave the channel, come back again. YouTube as AD, get the right one. Continue. So click on this place and go to your channel to see all what you have. Click on your channel. See what channel description. Welcome to my space. This is what people will see. If you added banner, the banner would be showing there too. But this is what people will see. Welcome to my channel and all. Just click on it to see more. You can see the Facebook link I added. Description. Welcome to my space. This channel is all about my daily life, from my routine and all. So you are good to go from here. Now if you start posting, at least just be consistent with what you are posting. From time to time, YouTube will start recommending your videos, and make sure it's your personal video. In case you want to do reaction video, make sure you do the reaction properly, so that it will not have reused content or copyrighted content on it. And that is basically how to set up your YouTube channel. So let's go back to our video.
So guys, you can see that it's very easy to create and to set up a YouTube channel. So now is now to start putting out content there. And if you can see the way I use ChatGPT, you can use it that way to improve your content, to optimize your videos properly. That is what I am using for my vlogging channel. And trust me, my vlogging channel is going far. It's even dragging views with this my current channel, because my vlogging channel, I have not for once shared a link. As I said before in one of my videos, that sharing links of this my channel to maybe Facebook, to external site, actually affected my growth. Though I'm working on it and I can see changes on it, but comparing it to my vlogging channel is going far. Is should I say is doing much more better than this my channel at the stage it is right now, because I just created it how many months ago, and sometimes it's even dragging views with this my channel. So guys, you need to take action. Start using ChatGPT to your own advantage. No matter the content you are creating, no matter your niche, you can ask ChatGPT anything, and it will give you. You can cross check it, edit what you want to edit, and use it. So guys, that is the end of today's video. If this video actually helped you and encourage you to start a YouTube channel to do, click on the like button. Let us know if you have started the YouTube channel or you are planning to start on the comment section. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel, and see you on my next video. Bye.